Hey, hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today, we're going to try to make a digital comic as I have told you last week. And this digital comic is actually free, yeah? It's free for you. Because I think not all of you have stable internet connection or have complete facilities, so I'm not forcing you to make this digital comic, but I'm going to give you the explanation and the tutorial how to make it. Yeah, because one day you're going to have the same project, you can use these websites later. Okay, let's get started. So I have chosen 3 best platforms here. First one, Pixton.com, and then MakeBeliefsComics.com, and the last one, Photojet.com. Okay, let's get started from this website first. So your students choose this one for students, and this one on my own. Here you have to log in first using your email, or you can just sign with Facebook or Microsoft if you have, but I prefer to sign in with Google. And on the first page you actually will see this one. So on the first page you are going to make your avatar, yeah, like this one. Choose boy or girl, yeah, choose this one, and then you can choose the skin tone here, for example. Next, choose the hair color. Yeah, I prefer brown color. Hairstyle, I wear a hat here. You can choose anything you want. Yeah, choose the eye shape. Okay, eyebrows. Next, eye size, eye spacing, eye color, black, blue or green, nose shape, and glasses. It looks weird, yeah. Glasses color, it's up to you. Black, yeah. Chin, face shape, lips, ear shape, details. Okay, hat. Now you can decide whether you want to wear a hat or not. It's up to you. Yeah, you can choose anything you want here. It's up to you. Yeah, this is just avatar, yeah, not the comic yet. Okay, like your icon that will be displayed here later. Expression. Now it looks like a girl, yeah. I know. Okay, the outfit, cool boy, quite tall, the height, yeah, and the pose. Full body headshot. You can just download it here, whether you want headshot or full body. Okay, your avatar is done. Now you can see it here. Okay, now it's the time to make the real digital comic. Okay, let's start making the new comic. You may write your comic title here. For example, poor boy. What was that? Okay, great boy. Yeah, whatever. Okay, here on the left side, you can add up to 6 panels. Yeah. Okay, it's better for you to make up to 6 panels, yeah, but you want to make more, that's okay, yeah. But I limit until 6 panels, yeah. If you have long story, you just take the most important parts in your story, just make it simple and short, yeah. And add how many panels you want here. It's up to you. But for me, I limit until 6 panels, yeah. Let's choose from the first panel, and here, please pick the background first. Take the background first. Can be home, inside the room, school, office, or ocean, or you can just search here. Okay. Okay, wait. What is the background? Yeah. School, maybe. Or home? No. Or this one. Okay, done. And then choose the characters. Here it's up to you. You can choose boys or girls. Yeah, it should be based on your story. Okay. For example, this one. Oh, it's not free, I think. Yeah, you can just drag it here and choose the outfit or the clothes that the character wears, like this. Yeah, you can just casual or anything, and colors. Colors, the hair color maybe, and the hair style. Kind of naughty. Okay, done. Right. And what is this? Focus. Oh yeah, you can. What is that? You can set the focus of the character, and like this, for example. And now we're gonna make the dialogue, speech, thought, the bubble type. Yeah, or shout or whisper, or maybe shout. Let's see, for example, hey, I'm not afraid of you. I can eat you today. Rawr. I have a gun. Is that the dialogue? You can change the words anytime. Cause he's a brave boy, I'll just pick this one. And wait. Action. Can we give the words caption? Okay, you can just duplicate the panel if you want. Go to second one. Okay, if you have finished all, so you can just click done, yeah, and then you can click share here, and then click or download. Oh yeah, but you have to pay or print. Yeah, sorry, because you need to upgrade for more complete features. So that's all, yeah. This is just example of how to make a digital comic from Pixton.com. Okay, thank you very much, guys.